Has anybody had this happen to them? So, gone to a job, done a gas job's done, boiler's working, everything is sound about a week ago, right? Got a text last night, boiler's not working, mate. You were the last guy there, F27 fault. I said, yeah, alright, sound. Make sure you got gas, press reset on the boiler, it should be sound. Rang me in the morning, look, I've done all of that, it's not working. You were the last guy there, so what's going on? He was quite polite about it, he wasn't being that bad. I said, right, you know what, San, I'll go out today, I'll have a quick look at it. So I've gone out, collected the key from his house, gone there, there's nobody living there, and someone's gonna move in tomorrow, right? Went in there, had a look, PCB's gone on the boiler. It's a Vaillant, very common on PCBs, right? So I've given him a call, I said, look, figured out what the issue is. It was definitely working before I was here. It was working because I tested it, right? Through the P01. I tested the hot water because it was an empty property, just to make sure everything was working. I tested it all. And it was all working 100%. And he's saying, well, no one's been there except for you, mate. So how can this be? I said, listen, the PCB's gone on the boiler. It's one of them things. The boiler's 12 years old. It's a Vaillant. It's very common. It's electrical fault. It could have happened at any time, and it's happened. It's crazy. It's actually happened that period when I was the last guy there. Do you understand what I mean? So, what do you want to do? So he was all right, to be fair. He said, "Son, let's get it changed." Obviously, it's not a cheap repair. A couple £100 to do it, right? So I'm on the way now to get the parts from the suppliers. I'll show you guys this video. You know, the maddest thing as well was my van, as I came out of this house, it was halfway in the middle of the road. Anyway, you'll see it. I'll put it now in this video, and you'll see me replace the PCB. But you guys had anything like that before? Because it could have been a sticky situation. You know, it could have been a sticky situation if the customer was not as nice, let's say. Bloody hell, imagine this. Imagine I had my van parked here when I went into that property. And look where it's ended up. Shit. Probably didn't put a handbrake on. And it's saved by the curb, you know. Shit. Saying that, the handbrake looks like it's up. Not high enough. Yo, that there is a madness. There's the house. As you can see, no one's even in it, yeah. And you can see I took the case off, and I've already diagnosed that it's PCB. But let me show you what's going on. Actually, good for you newbies to have a look, yeah. To see. So if I switch it on here, switch it on there, you can see this is PCB, right? Yeah. You can hear it anyway. So if you listen to this. I don't know if you could hear that, yeah. But look, F27, I reset that. Yeah, we do some crazy stuff, watch. So it's in comfort mode, so it's trying to fire up now, yeah? It's gonna try to fire up. But before it was just trying to fire up, the flame light would come on, it would come F73, it would just start flashing, do some crazy stuff. It's probably not going to do it now. Actually, let's open the hot water. See if I can force something. Cap symbol. It says there's a flame, which there isn't. F27. Yeah. Let's change PCB. power's back on. Let's switch it on, see if it's made a difference. It's the first time whenever you put a PCB in, this is what it's going to do. Yeah, it's going to load up like that. You're going to think something's wrong, oh it's not working, blah blah blah. But that's what it does. It kind of starts, resets itself, must recalibrate, done. Look at the pressure on this. 2.8, got to relieve a bit of pressure out here. Come on then, let's fire up, fire up. Let's run hot water. Flames on. Flames on. Confirm. There. It's all working. Now, because I've changed PCB, I've got to do my checks again. Check the FGA, check my inlet, check everything else out, yeah? So I'll do all that. Before that, let me take some pressure out of this system. The easiest way, from here, shoot it straight into the sink, right? Let's see if it's going to work. Shoot it into the sink. Open this. How about that, eh? Straight into the sink. Nice. Pressure. 2.2. Keep it going. 2.1. Got to increase the pressure a little bit. 1.5. Switch it off from there.